Hello everyone, welcome back to Arab's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a very exciting curry recipe, and this is called the Kadala Curry. It's very famous Kerala dish. So let's get into my kitchen. We are in my kitchen. For Kadala Curry, we should first soak overnight 1 cup of black chana.
Wash the black chana, put it in the cooker and allow it to boil. Add some salt and let us close the lid and boil it. At least 7 to 8 whistles you will need to give. Let me shift this cooker to the other burner and I will show you how to make the paste for the gravy. Take a kadhai and switch on the gas. Add oil 1.5 tablespoon. This is coconut oil. Allow the oil to heat. After the oil heats, add 1 inch cinnamon sticks, 2 cloves, let me give you a closer look. I'm using a iron kadhai. You can use a non-stick pan kadhai as well. Once it comes to the boil and it starts to crackle, I have added cumin seeds. That's 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon saunf or fennel seeds. As soon as that crackles, add chopped onion. These are normal onions. You can cut in any shape because anyways we are going to grind it. Mix all of this well, and until the onion gets translucent and the pungent smell is gone, please stir this. You can see the onion is cooked. And it's time now for us to add the tomatoes. Tomatoes can be cut into any shape because, as I mentioned, we are anyways going to grind all of this. Mix it well for at least 1 or 2 minutes. To this we will add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, one teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt. I'm being very careful in putting the salt because we have put salt in the black chana as well, and then here also, so you'll have to be a little careful when you're adding salt. Mix all of this well. As you just saw, I've mixed all of this well, and now I'm going to add 1 cup coconut. Mix everything well and until such time that you see that the coconut and tomato and all of this masala is properly mixed and cooked. Until such time, allow it to cook, and after that you can switch off the gas. So let me just allow all of this to cook. So viewers, as I mentioned, this is a Kerala dish, and that's why I have added coconut oil in this, just so it gives you the authentic curry taste from Kerala. This is now ready to be transferred into a mixer jar and for us to grind it. Let's now go ahead and grind this. It's cooled down. I'm going to start the mixer grinder. When you're grinding, if required, you don't mind to add water and grind it properly into a fine paste. We are now ready to make the gravy. I've taken a bigger iron kadhai. To cook the curry, I will again add coconut oil. This is 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. If you want, you can add normal oil also that you use in your house. Add half an inch of cinnamon stick. Allow it to heat in the oil. Add 1/4 teaspoon jeera or cumin seeds. Allow the cumin seeds to crackle. Add 1 red chilli and few curry leaves. To this, add the shallots of onion. If you don't have the shallots, you can use normal onion as well. Since I am making an authentic Kerala Kadala Curry, I'm using the shallots and it gives a lot of lovely taste. Then add ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon, and mix it well until such time that the pungent smell disappears. Mix this well, and to this you add the ground paste. Mix all of this well, please. Viewers, if you can see the color of this dish, it is taking the shape of a proper curry. I have taken some boiled chana and I have mashed it and mixing this to this curry. This will keep your gravy a little bit thick. Otherwise, when you're going to eat this, it's going to be very watery. To this, add water. This is the strained water which I did not throw away. We can reuse that water which we used for boiling the black chana. But be careful, I had added salt there. I am not going to add salt at this point in time. Add the boiled chana to this gravy now. Mix it and allow it to heat. I'm adding some more water, which is again the stock of the black chana water, as we want this to be as we want this to have some gravy. Here I have added 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. This is going to be one of the last ingredient in the curry. Close the lid, allow it to boil nicely. If you can see, this has come to a very good boil. Let me open the lid and show it to you. This, viewers, is what I was telling you, an authentic Kadala curry from Kerala. It's very tasty. You can eat this with dosa, appam, even paratha or roti or rice. Let me taste this to check if I need to add any more masalas. For me, it's perfect. I don't want to add anything. I'm just going to close this for some more time, allow it to boil for a few minutes, and my curry will be ready. Garnish this with finely chopped coriander leaves after taking it in a serving bowl. I'm going to try this with dosa. What are you going to try with? Isn't that looking yummy?
So wasn't that very simple? Please do try the recipe. You can eat this hot with dosa, appam, also rice and parota. If you do like it, please click on the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. And please click on that bell icon so that you get notified on the next videos. Thank you.